Hello all of you. Today the marketing software channel is back to share with everyone about a software. Please help me post to all the Instagram accounts have at the same time. Today I introduce the Insta marketing software. Open the MKT Insta software interface. First I will go to this Insta interaction section. Then I go to the post section. In order for me to post an article, I first need to have content. I have two types of posts. Firstly, I post according to an existing article. So here are the articles I entered into the software. For example, I choose any article. Then I saved it. The next step is to choose the Instagram accounts that I have available. In here, I already have the accounts I log into. After I have selected the content and account, I press start and the software will work. In addition to choosing to post existing content, you can create new content. I clicked on the option to select new content, and I choose the image or video I need. Next is to compose the content that I need to put here. For example, what is that content? For example, I can put any content here. In this video, I will use pre-written posts in the software. Everyone can see the results.